Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can install Google Maps on your iPad. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, use the search feature and type in Google Maps. Once you've found it in your search results, tap on it, then select Get. Then from here, you need to double click on the side button to start the installation process. And then use your Face ID to confirm. So from here, just wait for Google Maps to be installed onto your iPad. Once it's been installed, tap on Open to launch the app. So you'll be asked to give in some permissions, such as access to your location. And now you'll be signed in with your Google account and you can start using Google Maps. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.